my circles. Are you feeling that way? Ginger here, human connection expert. If you feel like the pandemic shrunk your circles, your friends, your business colleagues, your neighborhood, whatever it is, you are in good company. In a recent article by Kate Murphy in the New York Times, there's the whole thing, she talks about how the pandemic helped us shrink our circles. Yes, you heard me, helped us. Have you ever been in the spot where you think, gosh, I'm just having a hard time keeping up with everybody I know. How do I do that? You start flogging yourself with the guilt whip and you think, I'm never going to keep up. Here's the beauty of the pandemic and our social circles. Most of us got really clear on who our pods were. Pods. Yeah, the pod became the nomenclature for who we hung out with, who we felt safe to be around physically. And that's a good thing because that does a couple things. Number one, it helps us rethink who we are investing our time with. Have you been spending or investing? Investing gives you something back. Get really clear on who those people are now, no matter who you came through with, who will help you keep going and growing. Number two, it can be a huge weight off your shoulders to know that you don't have to stay in connection with everybody. I mean, think about it. How many people have you ever thought to yourself, that's more of an energy drain than an energy raise? That's something to think about. If they drain your energy, if you don't get invigorated and excited about being with certain people, here's the gift of evaluating, does that make sense to invest time with them, or is it just a spend where it never comes back? Think about that. Number three, you get to look forward. We all get to look forward into the future vision of what our life could be. So the pause of the pandemic is the gift. Thinking about where we've been, what we've come through together as a whole. Yes, we're not all in the same boat, but we're sure all in the same storm. That's going to be life forever. So use the gift of the pandemic, rethink your social circles, your business circles, follow Kate Murphy's advice and think, who do I want to be in contact with? Who do I want to be in connection with? Who don't I want to be in connection with? And go in that direction. If you like this video, if you found it useful, there are more. Please subscribe and please share it with other people who may be challenged by thinking about human connection. Until next time, remember, it's always a great day to connect.